Hey Channel Insiders, I'm Katie Bavoso for Partner POV On-Site at Scale Computing Platform 2025 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm joined today by many IT innovators and leaders from across the globe, including these two gentlemen joining me right now. We have Vitor Camargo. He is from Servix, the pre-sales engineer there. Welcome to you.
Thank you, Katie. It's nice to be here.
Nice to have you here. Thank you so much. And you are actually joined by Humberto Dalmaz, IT manager of Brado, a Servix customer. Welcome.
Yes, thank you, Katie.
You're actually going to answer our first question today. As I understand it, Servix was able to help you solve a complicated transportation issue in a rather remote area. Can you walk me through what that challenge was and how was Servix able to help you?
Yes, we had three problems. No data backup, no hardware failover, and a very old equipment. Resiliency was a problem too. And the Servix helped us implement edge computing it with simplicity and without interrupting the business. The scale technology was very robust. For example, this morning, we had a system problem, but in minutes, we rolled the snapshot back and the system was operating again. In fact, scale snapshot saved us.
That's wonderful news.
Yes.
Let's have you build on that for us, Joe. Now, how was Scale Computing able to help you with that experience?
So in Brado case, we have a very remote location. It's really a remote location. We have some energy problems from the government that have constant power off, and we needed a solution that was simple, easy to manage, and resilient. So our solution was cluster of scale nukes, so we could deliver anywhere a full cluster of hyperconvergence infrastructure and be easy to manage. So from Brado's case, they started with one cluster and now they have three clusters around the country.
Humberto, how did that experience help you at Brado deepen your relationship with Servix?
Yes, I think for us, the close partners are very important. In this case, Servix and Scale are always ready to help us.
And final question today for you, Joe. What is Servix's experience as a Scale Computing partner? Generally, what is it like to partner with them for you?
It's nothing short of great. Scale is a technology enterprise, but we really like the human side of it. So it's not just a case-by-case report. We have a lot of communication with everything on Scale. We have a great experience with Scale support. So every now and then we have a support case about a question that we have, and not only the team is very fast to answer back to us, but they also send an email 1-2 days later asking, oh, is everything okay, how it's going? So it's very good to have this kind of relationship.
Joe, Humberto, thank you so much for your time today. And thanks at home for watching. To see more from Scale Computing Platform 2025, head on over to channelinsider.com.